Welcome to the Citra21 channel, your gateway for exciting and engaging content. Today we're delving into the dynamic world of print on demand. Imagine a world where you can turn your creativity into tangible products without the stress of inventory management or upfront costs. This is the beauty of print on demand. It's an e-commerce model that allows you to sell custom designed items. From t-shirts to tote bags, mugs to mouse pads. Here's how it works. You create a design, a customer orders your product, the order is sent to your print provider, they print it and ship it. Simple as that. No inventory hassle, no bulk orders, just pure creativity unleashed. It's a game changer for budding entrepreneurs and creative minds alike. It's your ticket to building a business that is uniquely yours, one that mirrors your creativity and caters to your audience. Are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? Stay with us. The first step to launching a successful print-on-demand business is discovering your niche. It's not just about picking a product category, it's about diving deep into the world of possibilities and identifying a specific niche that aligns with your passions and interests. It's about finding that unique corner of the market that not only you are passionate about, but also resonates with a particular target audience. It's about establishing a connection between what you love and what others love to buy. By focusing on a specific niche, you can tailor your designs to appeal to a specific group, creating a loyal customer base that appreciates and values your unique offerings. So, take your time, do your research, and find that niche that truly sets your soul on fire. Whether it's quirky mugs, trendy apparel, or unique wall art, find what sets your soul on fire and resonates with your audience. Next, it's crucial to team up with reliable print providers. Why, you ask? Well, these providers are the backbone of your print-on-demand business. They take your creative designs and bring them to life on your chosen products. But it's not just about printing. Trustworthy providers also handle inventory, packaging, and shipping. In short, they deal with the nitty-gritty so you can focus on what you do best. Creating. Consider platforms like Printful and Printify, which have earned their stripes in the industry. They offer seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms, making it easy for you to manage your store. What's more, they're committed to delivering high-quality products, so you can rest assured that your designs shine and your customers are satisfied. But remember, not all print providers are created equal. It's essential to choose one that aligns with your business needs and values. Ensure top-notch quality and timely delivery by choosing the right print provider. Now comes the fun part, designing your products. This is where your creativity gets to shine. It's essential to create unique, eye-catching designs that stand out in the crowded e-commerce market. Your design should not only reflect your brand's identity, but also resonate with your target audience. Think about what makes your heart skip a beat and then translate that passion into your designs. Consider the current trends, but don't be afraid to diverge and make your own path. It's often the bold and unexpected designs that capture the most attention. Whether you're designing quirky mugs, trendy apparel, or unique wall art, each product is blank canvas waiting for your creativity. Use colors, shapes, typography, and images to tell a story, to evoke emotions, and to create a connection with your customers. Remember, the goal is not just to sell a product, but to create an experience. Unleash your imagination and create items that captivate your audience. With your designs ready, it's time to build your online store. And you might be wondering, where do I start? Well, there are several platforms that make this process a breeze, such as Shopify and Etsy. These platforms are the linchpin of your e-commerce venture, offering user-friendly interfaces that allow you to set up your store in no time. Shopify, for instance, is a one-stop shop for e-commerce. It's designed to help you create a professional-looking store with ease, offering a range of customizable templates to best showcase your products. You can tailor the look and feel of your store to align with your brand's aesthetic, ensuring a consistent experience for your customers. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with print-on-demand providers, making it a cinch to manage your inventory and fulfill orders. On the other hand, we have Etsy, a haven for creators and artists. If your print-on-demand business leans towards the artistic or handmade, Etsy can be an excellent choice. The platform already has a large audience looking for unique, creative products, providing you with a ready-made customer base. Like Shopify, Etsy also offers a user-friendly interface and customizable shop front, enabling you to showcase your products in the best light. But building your online store is not just about choosing the right platform, it's about creating an engaging shopping experience. Use high-quality images to showcase your products, write compelling descriptions that highlight their unique features, and organize your store in a way that makes it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. Remember, first impressions count. Your online store is your digital storefront. It's the first thing customers see when they interact with your brand. So make it count. Use the tools and features provided by platforms like Shopify and Etsy to create a store that not only looks good, but also functions smoothly. And now, with your store ready to go, it's time to welcome your first customers. Showcase your products attractively and start attracting customers. Because this, my friends, is where the real journey begins. Now, let's discuss marketing your brand. In the vast universe of e-commerce, it's not enough to just create fantastic products. You've got to let the world know they exist. And that's where the magic of marketing comes into play. Think of social media platforms as your stage, where you can proudly showcase your products, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your store. This isn't just about selling, it's about building a community, forging connections, and creating a brand that people can relate to and trust. First on our list is Instagram. With its visually driven platform, Instagram is the perfect place to show off your products in all their glory. Go beyond just product shots, share behind-the-scenes peeks, customer testimonials, and even your own creative process. Remember, Instagram is all about storytelling, so make sure your posts tell a captivating story about your brand. Then, there's Pinterest, a platform where people go to discover and save creative ideas. Here, you can create engaging boards that showcase your products within broader themes or trends. Think of Pinterest as your virtual window display, enticing people to step into your online store. And let's not forget TikTok, the platform that's taking the world by storm. TikTok is all about short, engaging videos that are often fun and quirky. So why not create a catchy TikTok challenge around your brand or showcase your products in action? The possibilities are endless. But remember, while it's important to be present on these platforms, it's equally crucial to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, like their posts, ask for their opinions. Show them that behind the brand, there's a person who values their input and appreciates their support. So get out there and make your mark on the social media stage. Remember, consistency is key. Keep your brand voice and visual aesthetic consistent across all platforms to build a strong, recognizable brand. Harness the power of social media to drive traffic to your store. With the right strategies and a dash of creativity, you can turn your followers into customers and customers into brand advocates. Now, that's marketing magic. As your business grows, it's time to consider scaling. Growth is exciting, but it also presents new challenges and opportunities. One strategy to consider is expanding your product line. Adding new designs or even branching into new product categories can attract a wider audience and increase your sales. Another approach is to collaborate with influencers. They already have an audience that trusts their recommendations, making them powerful allies in promoting your brand. Lastly, consider investing in targeted advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Google AdWords allow you to reach your ideal customer based on their interests, location, and more. It's like having a billboard in the digital world, specifically tailored to your target market. Scaling isn't just about growing bigger, it's about growing smarter. By strategically expanding your product line, partnering with influencers, and leveraging targeted advertising, you're not just growing your business, you're building an empire. Explore new avenues and reach new heights of success. Remember, building a print-on-demand empire takes dedication, creativity, and persistence. This journey you're about to embark on is not just a business venture, but a voyage of self-discovery and innovation. From finding your unique niche, partnering with reliable providers, to designing products that speak to you and your customers, you're on the path to creating an online store that is a reflection of your passion and creativity. And what's more, you'll be using the power of social media to create your own marketing magic, reaching out to an audience that resonates with your brand. As your business grows, remember that scaling is a strategic step. It's about expanding your product line, collaborating with influencers, and investing in targeted advertising. So, are you ready to unlock success and start your print-on-demand empire? The world of e-commerce is waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks for watching Citra21 Channel.